It's interesting because it's a different way of recovering. To be able to sit down, have a yarn, and it's all happening for you anyway. So when the jets are hitting the muscle themselves, and then that circulation is what brings around the healing abilities of your own body. It's just gold. Still up there playing a bit of rugby. I've taken a little bit of a step back. Every now and then though, of course, I get up, a bit of country footy up north. But tell you what though, only about 20 minutes in, I'm blowing black smoke. The highlight, I suppose, has to be your debut for Australia. It was a special moment. Dad came out in the field. I don't know how he got out there. He got past security somehow, but he did. He's like a Jedi. He just does some bloody manoeuvre and they... My family live on the canal. There's a whole bunch of spots along the canals of the Gold Coast. So to be able to have a pontoon out in your own place, you can jump in the boat, fang over to their place, have a barbie, and then come back when you want. We got a 2-story, 4 or 5 bedroom place. I've got one of 8 kids, so often we're going to have family members dropping in, blow-ins, the whole shebang. So big walk-around kitchen, butler's pantry, always good for when you're hosting people. You grab all the crap and you just load it into the back and it's gone. It's a great spot, very easy living, and then the big features out the back. Alex is my partner, and we had a few big yarns about what's the X factor, what's that last bit of oomph that we need at this property. Chilling zone, fire pit zone, swim zone. That's a good 3. To have recovery, hot tub, entertainment machine, that's what we ended up going with. After we decided we're getting the spa, I thought, right, time to punch it straight into spa world. For me, it was the Jacuzzi. It's a brand, it's been around. You know you've got the right stuff, it's quality, it's been tested over time. Family members and friends are turning up going, hey, Emma, how you going? I was like, you know what they want, they just want to get in the spa. It looks after itself. I go in there and I'll open it up, see if a little kid's gone in there and dropped a 2x4 on the bottom. Things like that. You might need to clean up from time to time, a leaf or 2, but that's it. After 10 years of professional rugby, you can imagine there's a few little niggles that are still carrying on from those days. That's why it's so important. Jump in the spa after you do your training and then all of a sudden, you come out feeling $1 million.